Good evening, folks. It is Bobby Two Pops Breaks on Sunday. It is October the 23rd. We are breaking Boombox full-size helmets. We did random team sales on your left. We've already randomized teams, customers. We alphabetized you all, gave you a chance to trade. Before we did any of that, though, we randomed up our 32 remaining boxes. 29 is what we got. Just checking chance one last time, making sure no other offers. Jets for Bears. Jets for Bears was offered from Amanda. Alright guys, here we go. Alright, and Jets for Bears. Last call here, bud. Alright, he said pass. And let me get my damn camera focusing here, guys. Well, it'll focus in a second, hopefully there. Here we go. Jesus Christ, man. We have been pulling fucking insane here, man. If I didn't jam-pack this series with flexes, guys, I would be utterly, totally fucked right now, man, because we have just pulled nothing but flex after flex after flex. This is 4 days in a row, man. Good Lord. I am freaking out at this point, man. This is just nothing but friggin' flex after flex here. Bam! Going to be the Peyton Manning, guys. Hang on, I'm gonna get my damn camera to focus. Y'all know your hit, so there we go. Peyton Manning has the blue visor, the sheriff's badge, Fanatics hologram, 3D bumpers on her, folks. Well, Amanda, now you got one for each team there. I know you guys haven't hit a lot this series, or even last series, but what you have hit was some nice helmets, man. So that's gonna be Amanda's second Manning in 2 series, guys. She got the Denver one last series. She's gonna take the cold helmet here. Well, I'm very sorry everybody else, guys, but it's up to you if you all want to get in another break, man. We have been pulling insanely, guys. I mean, your 2 lowest hits in the last 4 days were a Dan Marino Eclipse and a Jamar Chase Lunar. Every other single helmet we've pulled in the last how many days now has been a flex. And we still got 31 boxes left, guys, so you're still stacked up pretty good here. And we have been pulling insanely. I would think breaking all these damn flexes, man, we would be friggin' flying here. Alright, Amanda and Mark gonna take her second Manning in 2 series there from them. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Bobby Two Pops Breaks.